threads are cut on screws, bolts, nuts, studs, and inside holes to allow components to be attached and assembled. There was a time when there were many different thread designs used throughout the world. Modern vehicles still use a range of thread patterns, but due to standardization, it's getting simpler. Nearly all the nuts, bolts, screws and studs on a vehicle have a V-thread cut into them. For something that isn't a V-thread, look at a screw jack or a clamp. They have a square thread. The pitch of a thread is the distance between these crests. It's measured by a thread pitch gauge which comes in sets. By laying these blades along the bolt, it's easy to find one with teeth that fit neatly into the thread. This pitch is 12 teeth per inch. Thread tables show what size hole has to be drilled and what size tool is needed to cut the right thread for any given size bolt. It shows that a 3/8 inch bolt can have a coarse thread or a fine thread. This is because some threads grip metals that are brittle or soft and require more metal in the thread. They need coarse threads. A thread in a steel nut can be much finer. The thread on this engine stud is coarse on the end that screws into the cylinder head, and fine for the steel nut that tightens the exhaust manifold to the cylinder head. Fine threads give more grip for a given torque than coarse threads.